Hello guys, how are you? I will teach you compressor direct start, how to direct start without Danfos compressor relay. Danfos compressor direct start, very easy method, very simple method. Please watch the video till end. So now first of all, compressor relay disconnect and your main supply L and N, I mean line and neutral, phase and neutral, main power supply. Connect point 3 point common running starting, first point free point, I mean running point free. Common point connect first line and second line, I mean neutral, running point connect. So start and running point attach screwdriver, insulated screwdriver. Okay, screwdriver short circuit running and starting. Connect the clamp meter, testing clamp meter. Okay friend, start main supply wire 220 voltage, provide first wire common point, down point Danfos compressor, down point common point, first wire connect. Okay, second wire up side left side. Okay, up left side running point connect second wire. Okay, only first point free point, right side upside right side point free, this point start point. Okay, start point. Insulated screwdriver, need insulated screwdriver and carefully work. Short circuit with insulated screwdriver. Don't attach body side, flat screwdriver and attach running and starting point, not connect body and not connect common point. So start now. Okay, power supply on and switch press. Okay, compressor started, very easy. And check now pressure, discharge pressure. Okay, discharge pressure. Okay, discharge pressure easily release and suction pressure easily suction. Okay, and connect clamp meter, ampere testing. Ampere testing need to clamp meter. Clamp meter select ampere mode. Okay, AC DC ampere mode and select DC mode, select push the button select and AC ampere. Okay, AC ampere, first wire only first wire clamp connected and check now. Okay, 0.55. okay, 0.55, I mean half ampere, 0.5 ampere compressor. Compressor actually compressor size 110. Fault clearly relay fault, faulty. This compressor relay faulty. Compressor only change the relay and compressor easily run. So guys, if compressor not start without relay, I mean direct start, not start, so compressor dead. But compressor direct easily start without relay. So I change compressor relay, only need compressor relay change, so compressor easily start. So friend, like the video and please share video and subscribe the Great Engineering YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.